Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show how to enable the option to install the beta version on the Telegram app for PC. If you want early access to new features before everyone else, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A side menu will appear. From here, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area of your Telegram app. Inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you see the Advanced option. Click on it to open more detailed settings. Now, in the Advanced section, keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Install Beta Version. This is the feature that allows your Telegram app to receive beta updates. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to Install Beta Version. Once it's turned on, Telegram will automatically start offering you beta updates whenever they are available.